So this is a room tour of the Radisson Blue Plaza Hotel in Oslo, Norway. This is room 2223. I turned down to spy that. I'm thinking, what is that? This little thing that stops people breaking in. Anyway, we have a little cubby here for hanging up clothes and stuff. We have a full-length mirror. Give myself a wave. We have there you go. Bathroom with way too many mirrors for my liking, but never mind. We have a whole bunch of products, understandable. We have a bath and shower, lots of towels, toilet of course, hair dryer, yeah, all the amenities you would expect. We have a wardrobe, which is already filled because I've hung up my jacket. We have a safe, we have place for stuff. We have an ironing board, lots of hangers, which is nice. We have what do we have? Looks like an espresso. Yep, it's an espresso machine, very nice. Complimentary water, well that's empty. The lady, oh wait, cups, saucers, stuff. We have a mini fridge. Not that I'll probably use that. We have a smallish TV. I say small because our TV is quite large. We have a bench thing to sit on. We have a nice leather couch and thing to put your feet on. Once again, a couch over here, a table. This seems to have no purpose other than just being part of the bed. We have the double bed, of course. We have a thing there that's not neither storage nor anything else. Bed, it's nice and bright because I've had problems in these type of Radissons before where it's been pretty dark. You have a phone. I don't know why you would ever need to use a phone, but never mind. And for the next part, I may need to be constructive. Let's flip the lights off because, as I've just said, I'm on the 22nd floor. As I navigate through across here, because I can see the stuff you can't with the camera, so obviously I'm on the 22nd floor, and this is Oslo out there, and this is fairly amazing. You know, in my lifetime I never thought I would get to someplace like Oslo. So that is Oslo from my hotel room, and that 22nd floor is a long way down. But yeah, this is lovely. This is, yeah, it's part of the reason why I still stay with the same company. So this is a nice hotel room, and hope you enjoyed the tour.